Welcome the students in our online class for subject physics. So in last video we have seen introduction, Thomson's model and experiment, Geiger and Marson experiment. In this video we have studied Rutherford's atomic model. By seeing the results of Geiger and Marsden's experiment, the result could not explain Thomson's model. In Thomson's model, positive charge was uniformly spread over the large sphere consisting the atom. So, volume density of positive charge would be very small, and all of alpha particles are deflected back, must have encountered a massive particle. Would be deflected only through the small angles. Means the result of Geiger and Marson experiment, it could not explain Thomson's model. In Thomson's model, positive charge was uniformly spread over the large sphere consisting the atoms. Volume density of positive charge would be very small, and all alpha particles are deflected back, must have encountered a massive particles, would be deflected only through the small angles. So Rutherford said that alpha particles which were deflected back must have the term as massive particle with large positive charge, so that it was repelled back. So extremely small number of alpha particles are turned back, while most others are passed through are undeflected. And Rutherford concluded that positive charge particles in atom must be very small size, must contain most of the mass of the atom, and from experiment data will be the size of particle is about 10 FM. FM means femtometer. Femtometer means 1 femtometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 15 meter, which is about 10 raised to minus 5 times size of atom. The volume of these particles was about 10 raised to minus 15 times that of the atom. And finally, Rutherford called this particle is nucleus of atom. Some questions are arise. Size of atom, size of nucleus. Comparatively, seen that size of nucleus is 10 raised to minus 15 times that of atom. This nucleus is center. At the center, it is massive particle. And all these data are seen from Rutherford performs an experiment. Rutherford proposed that the entire positive charge and most of 99.9% of mass of atom is concentrated at center. 99.9% of mass of atom is concentrated at the center of atom, called nucleus. An electron is revolved in a circular orbit around the nucleus. Means Rutherford suggests a massive particle of atom is concentrated at center. Massive means 99.9% of mass of atom, and they are concentrated at the center, called as nucleus. Surrounding the nucleus, electron is revolved in a circular orbit. And he suggests that this is similar as a planet which revolve around the sun in planetary motion. In solar system, means model of Rutherford given by experiment and model of planetary motion in solar system are similar way. So what happened? Revolution of electron would fall into positively charged nucleus and atom would be collapsed. Means the revolution of electron. Revolution means we know that time taken by particle to complete one rotation, one revolution. So here, the revolution of electron would fall into positively charged nucleus, and so that atom will be collapsed. The space between nucleus and atom, here, if this atom is there, at center nucleus is there, and between the space between orbit of electron and nucleus is empty. Thus, most of alpha particles can pass through it. This empty space is undeflected. Few alpha rays are in direct line with tiny nucleus and get repelled. Some gets deflected through large angles. Means, suppose here some are repelled opposite in direction some are deflected, transmitted, some are diverted. So with large angles. This model of Rutherford also explains why no positive charge particles are emitted by the atom. Suppose this is atom. From this atom, negatively charged particles are emitted. But Rutherford, from this model, and he explains why no positive charge particles are emitted by atom, while negative particles are electrons. Hence, only electrons are emitted from atom. Because nucleus of mass or large mass of nucleus. So here at center, whole mass 99.9% of mass of atom can be concentrated at the center. So we can say that nucleus. This nucleus does not affect by applying any another force. So what happens? See here. This Rutherford model, it gives some difficulties. What difficulties are there? If study the Maxwell's equation, it said that an accelerated charge emits electromagnetic radiation. In Rutherford model, electron move in circular orbit around the nucleus. Even magnitude of its velocity is constant, but direction changes continuously. We know that if velocity will be constant, the motion will be uniform circular motion. But here, velocity is constant, but direction must be changed. So that the motion is also called accelerated motion. Thus, electron emits electromagnetic radiation. Its energy decreases. Radius also decreases. So, spirally motion of electron and strike on nucleus. So, it collapses. It loses the atomic property. As electron loses the energy, its velocity changes. Frequency of radiation, it also changes. As it moves towards the nucleus, none of these things are observed. Firstly, most atoms are stable. They do not constantly emit electromagnetic radiation. So that Rutherford's model is failed. Hence, Rutherford model does not give a stable orbit. This Rutherford model can be modified by the scientist Niels Bohr, applying his idea about quantum physics, and he developed a model. So in next video, we can see the model of Bohr which is given. Thank you.